Hey friends! Welcome to another video of Knowledge Tree. Today we are going to learn about zoo animals. This is a monkey. Repeat after me. Monkey, monkey. This is a zebra. Repeat after me. Zebra, zebra. This is a deer. Repeat after me. Deer, deer. This is a bear. Repeat after me. Bear, bear. This is a giraffe. Repeat after me. Giraffe, giraffe. This is a panda. Repeat after me. Panda, panda. This is a tiger. Repeat after me. Tiger, tiger. This is an elephant. Repeat after me. Elephant, elephant. This is a lion. Repeat after me. Lion, lion. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and share for more content.